This is by far one of the most effective exercises for your glutes and posterior chain that you're going to find. The kettlebell swing. It's amazing for core, great strengthening, great cardio exercise as well. You can put it in your HIIT circuits, but if you get it wrong, you're going to be prone to injury.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
We use the kettlebell swing in our UMS program for many reasons. It's a great way to add volume to the glutes and posterior chain in a supplementary circuit, but it's also really good to include in HIIT circuits because it gets the heart rate so high. It's a great core exercise. It does so many good things, but there is a risk of injury if you do it with poor technique, and we see a lot of people throwing kettlebells around in a really dangerous way. Don't let that be you. Stick around to the end, learn the 3 coaching cues that we teach to make sure that you nail the technique and develop the strength and fitness that you're looking for.
Kettlebell swings. We use these in the UMS as they are an excellent posterior chain exercise that also strengthens the core and builds explosive strength with carryover to most sports. Start with your feet roughly where you would squat. Keep the back straight and thrust the hips forward to create momentum that carries over to the kettlebell to create the swinging motion. When the kettlebell feels like it pulls you forward and down, go with it by breaking at the hips and slightly bending the knees. The forearms should hit the inner thigh, and as the kettlebell starts to swing back again, you use that momentum to create the next swim. Do not try to slow the eccentric phase. You do not try to lift with the shoulders, and you certainly don't try to slow the eccentric phase. All the work is done by the glutes, hamstrings, and back on the concentric phase. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: use the glutes, keep the back straight, don't bend the knees and hips too much.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.